Shut up.
Oh my god, I just lost like. Ah!
Oh my god.
What did you hit by?
I hit you my money on accident. Alright,
Bro,
be
Godzilla
careful.
has me! Yo, help!
Oh my god!
Help!
Oh my god!
Yo, get me out! Yo, get me out! Oh my god!
Cassie go first.
Dude almost burnt me alive! Oh my god.
Oh my god, this thing is worth $8,000! This thing is
Oh my
worth
God.
$8,000!
Help me. There's gnomes.
Oh my
What
god!
the fuck? Yo, there's no.
Stop screaming against the floor! Stop screaming against the
What
floor!
is that? Ew!
Pick it up!
They eat my ass!
Yo, there's no.
They eat my ass!
What the fuck is that?
Run! Oh my god, they can climb.
You pick him up?
My ass!
Oh my god, they're killing
Pick him,
Godzilla, bro.
grab him! Grab the gnomes!
How do you grab them? Yo, bro just killed one of them.
What is that?! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Cash in!
Bro,
Oh my god,
Godzilla's
Godzilla
dead.
just blew up! Can we
Bro,
revive
we
him?
gotta go get. Oh my, yo, he's coming.
Yeah, grab
Yo,
the
bro's
heads,
coming.
grab the heads.
Oh my god, we got it. Oh my god.
Yo, we gotta grab Godzilla's head to revive him.
Oh, is he coming? We have to be careful.
He's at the door.
I just slid. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my god, he's I'm gonna see if the coast
Oh
is
my
clear
God.
again. There's so many gnomes!
Oh my god.
Gnomes!
Oh my god, he's coming! He's coming! He's coming!
No, my god.
We have to leave! We have to leave! We have to leave!
Oh my god. Close it! Close the door!
Why is this not starting?
Close the door! Close the
They
door!
fucking have no way!
Close the door!
He's coming! He's coming!
Oh my god.
Y'all some assholes, bro. You just left my ass.
Bro, we tried to get you! He was at the door!
You just left my ass, bro. I should get on the
Hello? Kenny?
I'm leaving.
Oh my god, where's... Oh my god, we have to see if Repo and Godzilla are alive. Are they...
I'm dying.
How do we get this thing? Get it! Get it! How do we get it? Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm dying! Do you think they're alive?
No idea.
Bro, I just heard Repo screaming and I ran away.
You're saying?
I kind of want to see if they're alive. Yo, Kenny, I'm gonna go back and check. If I don't come back in like 2 minutes, leave without me, okay?
Alright.
Leave without me. Okay. Holy shit. He's alive. Nobody's alive. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Oh my god, fuck that. Oh my god, I'm leaving. Oh my god. 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 Nah, fuck them, bro. I'm leaving. I'm leaving on everything. I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving. Bro, Kenny, I saw the monster and not them. There's no way they're alive. We have to go.
Get the fuck out of here.
We have to go.
Yo, nah, cause I'm getting harassed by that thing from Pressure. Destroying slackers?
Wait,
They're
no,
alive,
wait,
aren't
no.
they?
They're alive? No way, they're alive! We have to stop it now. We have to save them. No, no.
No, we can't stop it. We can't stop
No, we
it.
can't stop it. No. Oh my god! Leave!
Y'all cannot be for real. Y'all just left? Y'all just fucking left. Y'all fucking
We
left,
thought you
bro.
were dead! We thought you were dead!
I had to carry my head, bro.
I was carrying his head, and I heard you say, "Nah, fuck that." Y'all just left, bro. Y'all are fucked up, bro.
Yo,
That's
nah,
so
let's
fucked
see.
up.
Okay.
Yeah, so put the fucking server on this bitch.
Is it in enough?
Alright, there we go, there we go.
Okay, back
Yeah.
up.
I'm trying. Hey,
Get the
fuck
shit
up
off
on
my
me!
head. Get the shit off my head.
You're throwing up on people!
Okay. Oh, we have enough to revive Rebboy. Back up.
Oh!
Is Rebboy back?
I just destroyed a bunch of shit! No!
It didn't. Oh my god. Why did it do that? It freaking crushed
happened?
everything and it didn't revive Rebboy. It crushed all of our stuff. I don't know why it did that.
What? Hey, stay away. Don't touch me. Oh, I'm dead.
Back up.
Alright.
If this fucking eats it, I swear to God.
Bro. We're actually finished if it fucking eats it, bro.
Hey!
Hey!
Attack the girl. Attack the girl.
Oh, how do I do that? Where's she
Spit
at?
on it.
Hey,
Spit
bitch.
on it. Spit
Die,
on
bitch!
it.
Die! Die!
Oh shit! I'm so dead. Goodbye.
Oh, Kenny's dead. Kenny's dead. Oh no.
Yo, what the fuck, man?
What you doing, bro? Oh my god. Way.
Move out, new way.
Move on.
No!
Monster isn't here. I think we've had worse starts before. What happened?
Ah, yo, what is that?
What did you see? What did you see? What did you see?
I saw a freaking. I saw a floating head. It was bald. It had big eyes.
I'm gonna go investigate.
No,
Don't do it. Don't. He's in the main room. He's in the main room.
Don't do it. Bro. Oh my god, bro. I just saw it eating Kitty, bro. I think Kitty's dead. I think Kitty's dead. I just hear Kenny scream. And then I go outside and I just see some bald, it's like man blade head floating and just eating Kenny, bro.
Back up.
Yo, fuck that!
Did you close the door? He closed the door on He closed the door.
Fuck that, bro!
You cucked me. You cucked me, also. You cucked.
Yo.
You there?
I fucking hate you. I fucking
Oh, he's alive.
hate you, bro. You should burn in hell. Burn in fucking hell and die.
Where's Kenny?
Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
I threw the fan though.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Who was that? Was that Godzilla? Bro,
That thing just
that
ate
nigga did
Godzilla.
not. That nigga did not fuck with him, bro. Holy shit.
Damn.
He's coming.
Oh my god.
Are you deaf?
Hello.
I think he is. I think he is deaf. He might be deaf.
He's coming back.
Oh my goodness.
Hey yo, get out. Oh. Oh hell no, that bro barely got hair left.
Mama huevo. Fuck, that's the way we have to
Oh
go,
my
though.
god!
You good, Cassie?
I almost died. I almost died. I actually almost died.
Where'd he go?
Yo, he went into that room over there. He took a bite up.
God armor.
Yo, Cassie, are you sure he went to that?
Oh my god. I need a fan.
Why again, bro? I fucking hate this guy. Oh my gosh, bro.
Why you good?
That is one ugly ass motherfucker, bro.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You fucking piece of shit! Shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up.
Shut up.
Who's that?
Ian Sanders?
No. We're out. We can't take any risks, bro. We're out.
Ian Sanders is crazy, Cassie.
No, we can't take any risks, bro.
Wait,
Yo,
were you both
what
dead?
happened?
So,
Yo, I saw.
Ow.
Oh no!
Double kill!
Oh my god.
What the fuck is that? Oh!
Hello? Oh my god. Nope, we gotta go. We just have to go.
Oh, yo, what happened? Oh. Yo, we gotta go, bro.
I'm gonna try to be so up.
Oh my god!
No.
God damn. God damn. Yo, he's cooked. Oh,
No, he's not. No, he's not. No, he's not. No, he's not.
How?
He's gotta run. He's gotta run. He's gotta run.
How?
You got so lucky, bro. He's at a limp dick of
How?
health, bro.
Yo, how did he live?
Kenny probably thinks he died. He's dead too. Kenny probably thinks he just fucking died.
Alive. How are you alive?
She said, how are you alive? I'm glitching that pack.
Maddox and Milan?
Alright, someone press the button. Go ahead and press the button. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I get it.
No, not. No!
Oh,
We bought shit, Dylan! Oh my god.
That's crazy. We got nothing.
Get in. Where you at? Just get in.
I
Run.
can't see! I can't see!
oh my god.
Just keep going forward. Keep going forward. No, back up.
Oh my God.
Backward. Keep going. Coming forward. Forward.
That's so unlucky.
Oh my
Forward.
god!
Back up. Oh my god. Get in. Jump.
Yo, jump,
Get in,
jump.
Get in.
Go, keep going. Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro.
Keep going back.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness!
We got this
Y'all
shit.
got
We
that?
made
Y'all
it out
got
the
that?
mud.
Oh my god.
Well, we had this shit.
Am I? Chat, I'm the only one alive. Are you fucking serious? Where did Dylan Manat go? Can't do well when I. Ah! My friends are all depending on me. This is it. I have to win.
Is he gone?
Yeah.
He is not gone!
And Dylan should be coming back. Big play.
Dude,
I heard
bro,
the child.
dude, that death was so bullshit, dude. It was actually
Child.
so bullshit. Oh my god, no way. Somebody die.
What just happened?
Oh,
just happened?
that's so crazy.
What happened?
That's so crazy, dude. That's so freaking crazy, bro.
Why did he make that noise?
What is that shit?
Giving up keys, you giving up, please. Sip my drink, but I got your bitch all in knees. They know I'm a big bounce, got a big bounce in this bitch.
Close the door, 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 close the door.
Oh my god, bro.
Hey, Cassie, you had a
Cassie,
real close
Cassie,
run-in with death.
Cassie,
Hey, it was right behind you, bro. It
Really?
was right fucking behind you, yeah.
It was right behind you.
Dude, he was camping, bro. Bro, that's if you got assassinated, bro.
Dude, that is all right, dude. We gotta get that.
Yo, he got assassinated. You did too, bro.
I mean, to be fair, you kind of did go take a shoot unannounced, and we did not know, so we had to know where you
He
were
literally
at.
said, I gotta go take a I gotta go.
Communication is important!
Oh wow.
I said I gotta go use the bathroom before I shit myself. What the fuck did you think?
Holy yeah, bro. Holy shit.
Listen, you live in Arabia with 8 wives, and those 8 wives is us. Huh?
Huh?
So communication is important.
Yo,
So you're dragging it, bro.
Yo, lower that
YNs like you, bro.
Yo, lower that.
Shut
number.
up.
Yeah,
You're up here.
you know thing or two about dragging, right?
Yo, you're fucking dragging it, Super. Shut the fuck up.
You know thing or two about dragging with them nuts in your pants, nigga.
Oh.
What kind of fucking insult is that?
How do you play this game?
No, just
Bro,
let him
did
die,
not
let him
play
die.
the tutorial.
Let him die. Let him die.
Did
Let
you
him die, let him
not play
die.
the tutorial?
Deafin,
You goofy on.
Super, you said thank you? I'm fucking done, bro!
Guys, guys, I don't want to rush
like
out,
2
but,
years since the game got
that spider
released.
thing is like just up ahead, so we better
Super,
get that thing
you don't
in here.
have enough fucking strength to carry it,
shit.
bro. I'm the one that's fucking carrying it right now.
Then put it to good use.
Nick.
Oh
Yo,
my god.
He's so easy to rage bait, bro.
Move it out of the way! Oh my
Godzilla?
god, Super, you're fucking...
Bro, he
Dude.
likes to rage bait and
Super,
then
I
when
swear to
he himself,
God, bro.
he hates it.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Super, I swear to
This nigga! This nigga, bro, what the fuck?
Yo!
Jose.
Yo, I'm done!
Let's keep going.
Alright.
No way, you just said keep go-
Yo, Super.
Yeah, it's down here.
Oh yeah, we gotta grab that then.
I know which one it is. It's a nice.
What just happened to Godzilla, bro?
Oh.
Grab him! Grab him!
This stupid ow!
Grab him! Grab him!
Somebody grab him.
Are like the end of the map or
Just
some
fucking
shit? What's going on? Oh, yes, I don't even know. Alright, let me go back on that.
Piano, baby.
Get over here!
I'm fucking done, bro.
Just invite me when you're.
Okay.
It ain't even my fault, bro. It's the baby's fault, man.
Where the fuck is the card, dude?
Yo!
When did Alex turn blue?
I just changed my skin.
Oh
Holy
my god.
shit.
That's fucking...
Bro's more worried about that when I was AFK for like the whole game.
She over here somewhere.
No, she should be scared of me. I'm the real monster.
Grrr.
Grr, grr.
I'm not locked in here
She's
with
here,
them.
she's
They're locked
here.
in.
What the fuck?
Dog.
Hey!
Why is it going? What is? What is going on?
The piss? How long was the piss?
You pissed down the entire. Oh shit! Oh my fucking god, dude!
Fuck you and your fucking piano.
I was showing Dylan, bro.
It's worth 38K, dumbass.
Fuck you and your fucking piano, you dumb bitch.
Piano, 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 piano,
No, I'm not dealing with this. I'm not dealing with assholes.
This is our second chance. We have to get the piano this time. Who's pushing the piano?
Who do you fucking think? Y'all got that. I'm not fucking...
This is our second chance. We have to get the piano this time.
Hey, just fucking... Yo!
Joe, stop playing with his dick, bro.
Oh! Oh my god! You fucking blew us up, you bastard! E! I stabbed E.
Oh yeah. Guys, get ready.
Nigga.
3, 2, 1.
Wait!
Ready?
Oh, Nick. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm actually going to kill you. I'm actually going to kill you! Give me your health. Give me your health right now. Give me your health.
Wait, don't take my stamina. Don't take my stamina. Alright.
Give me your health. Give me your health. Give me your health. Give me your health right now. Give it. Give it here. Right.
Whose fat ass is eating chips?
Bro. Oh my fucking god.
Is that shit good?
I think we got everything. Yeah, let's just revive them and leave.
Oh my god!
Dead off.
Oh my god! Oh, he's still there!
You gotta be fucking kidding.
Cassie, please tell me you clipped that.
I did. Yo, he clipped us.
You did? Oh my god, you need to send me that, bro.
He fucking spawn camped us, bro. Come on,
It's been nice knowing y'all. It's been nice knowing y'all. It's been nice knowing y'all.
Says big
Well,
booties
nothing,
and big booty Latinas in the area.
Where?
Nigga.
Bitch.
Little.
Nigger.
You die.
Oh my god. Damn! Double kill! Wait, is that a triple kill? Are we serious? Shit.
Because if you push it, it doesn't do damage to it. Only if you grab it.
Let go.
Alright, am I good to let go?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
What the fuck, dude?
What the You gotta be fucking kidding me.
The gunman's here.
Why would you? Why would you?
Sorry.
Yeah, y'all can have fun. Y'all have fun playing this fucking game.
Yo!
You are the